Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Trick. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can make charts and graphs using Canva. Before we get started, subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share the video. I am Amar Qureshi from Tech and Trick. We are using Canva to make charts and graphs so that you can use them in your projects and your presentations. Open any browser and go to canva.com. Once the website is open, you need to click on the More button. Then you have to click on the graph. A blank canvas will be open. Here we are going to make graphs and charts. On the left bar, you will see there are multiple templates which we can use in our project. But we are going to start from scratch, so click on the element button and scroll down. Here you will see a chart section. Click on see all and here you will see multiple charts and graphs. Let's start with the bar charts. Just click the first chart and a sample chart will be created. I'm just dragging the chart according to the canvas. On the left side, you can see the data which has been input already in the chart. Similarly, you can add your CSV file or you can add the Google Sheet. In the settings, you can hide and show the graph information. Let's get back to data. Here you can add your own data. To insert a new column, you need to click on the last column and the new column will be automatically added. Similarly with the rows, just click on the last row and the new row will be automatically added. At the top row, we have series and the first column contains the items. As you can see in the first item, the series 1 value is 0, series 2 value is 5 and series 3 value is 5. Similarly, item 2 contains values 8, 8 and 4 and so on. Let's add a new value in series 4. For example, I am adding 6 here and you see as I have added it, the graph has been updated accordingly. Let's add the rest of the values for the series 4 and you will see the graph has been updated. Now to change this chart into another chart, you need to click on the drop down option and select your desired chart. Your chart will be converted. Similarly, we can convert into many other charts. For example, row charts, staked row charts, line charts, staked area chart, scatterplot chart, histogram chart, pie chart, donut chart, funnel chart, packed circles chart, and even tree map charts. To explore the infographic charts, the first one is a pictogram. This graph is used pictures to explain the information. You can even change the images. And also you can increase and decrease the number of images. The next one is a radial progress. You can adjust the setting of this according to your need. Similarly, we have a progress ring. We can also adjust the setting accordingly. Then we have a progress dial. You can adjust the percentage and line weight according to your need. The last one is a progress bar, which is most commonly used in charts. You can adjust this according to your own need. Once you have completed your editing, just click on the share button and click the download button to download your chart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.